So if we're going to take our first steps onto the ice, we want to make sure that we're well ready. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up our feet into a small V shape, stretch our arms out to the side, bend our knees a little bit to make a slight triangle shape between the legs, and we'll practice taking small walks forward. Small walks, flat-footed, as if your foot is giving a high five or a low five to the ice every time. Let's see that in side profile. We're going to have arms out, feet pointing slightly side to side, bended knees, small walks forward, a little pause before you take the next step each time. As you're doing this along the ice, you can use the barrier, a hand on the side as you walk along. The open feet are very important because it sets us up for being able to develop flow and skating later on. Parallel feet will make us skid, fall over, much less stable. So we use the open feet because it's good basic technique. Let's talk about when we're unfortunate enough to fall down. We're going to practice what it takes to stand up because the extra height of a blade underneath your foot is going to make it a little challenging to stand. So to start with, take a knee. And what we're going to do from here, we're going to put our hands on our knee, foot nice and flat on the floor, good strong push down to come back up to 2 feet. Now, if you struggle with that, we've got a variation I like to call the superhero. We're going to ball up our fist and pop it down on the ground, hand on the knee, and we're going to push into both of those, the hand and the knee at the same time, to get the foot flat underneath you here before we slowly straighten up to come to standing position, bring those feet in. Why do we say stand up slowly? Well, if we stand up too quickly from being all the way folded forward here, we could end up overbalancing and ending up right back where we started. So give these moves a try, then watch our next video and you'll be ready to step on that ice, baby.